An organized kitchen eases the act of cooking. So if you want to simplify your life while preparing your meals, then a modular kitchen is something you should consider. A relatively newer concept in the Indian market, the perception towards modular kitchens has changed. Initially thought of as luxurious and decorative installations for your kitchen, modular kitchens are now increasingly being regarded as utilitarian.
Module is typically a building block. It's typical to how you use bricks to build a wall. Similarly, you use modules to create a modular kitchen. A module is an individual storage unit which when combined in a particular format forms a modular kitchen.
From classical, modern to even futuristic, modular kitchens are available in an array of styles and designs. Besides making your kitchen look good, they are functional and let you optimize your storage space. So pick fittings that you can detach, rotate to suit your storage requirements, making a modular kitchen worth your investment.
In the modular concept, if you have a real look at it, you can really rip the kitchen apart very conveniently. The client can do it himself and fix it back once in a year or twice in a year as the need be.
Just like the Indian cuisine, the requirements of an Indian kitchen is unique. After revolutionizing cooking space around the world, kitchen makers have come up with materials and accessories that suits our needs.
In their typical customization, Desi versions have come in. You have accessories made entirely of stainless steel in 304 grade SS, which means it never rusts. And as well, you can put your heavy kadais and just dump it inside and you'll not have problems with breakage or cracking.
While choosing your modular kitchen, it is essential to pick the right materials. For countertops, it is important to use non-porous articles like Korean countertops or even natural stones like dark shades of granite or marble. As for fittings, choose steel baskets that fit your kitchen articles the best and make sure all the shutters and drawers are equipped with a soft closing technology. As for cabinets, opting for car cases that are made out of marine waterproof ply instead of particle board will ensure longevity. But apart from these factors, it is crucial that you always keep your individual requirements in mind.
Your kitchen is totally dependent on what your style of cooking is and what your style of storage of your food stuff is. So you'll have to be fully involved in the process of the modular kitchen design.
Putting in a complete kitchen in place can cost you anywhere between 1 lakh to 16 lakh rupees. Well, as expensive as they sound, most modular kitchens are one-time investment and will require minimal expenditure on upkeep and maintenance.
We recommend that use a very mild soap to clean the surface, scrub it, and the surface would come out clean. Whether high gloss, laminate or lacquered surfaces, they are all maintained with just a wet cloth mop-up in normal routine.
So, go ahead and add some spice to your cooking space with an efficient and good-looking modular kitchen.